Okay, hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So I guess I should start off by saying sorry I haven't made a video for a while. Just haven't really felt like it. I thought I'd have a break from making videos. I didn't really have much inspiration. But so today we're going to look at some coins I've just been to pick up from the post office. They were delivered yesterday, but I was at work, so I couldn't collect them. I'm guessing from the title of this video, you already know what they are. These are my favourite silver bullion coins and the coins I have the most of. So let's open up this package and see what's inside. This one's very well wrapped. Extremely well wrapped. It's like past the parcel. Let's just cut into this, I think. It's not a vape pen. So normally I buy some of these as they come out in January, but this year I didn't. I actually bought these off someone online, but they are 2019. Got a really good price on these. The problem with buying silver in the UK is you have to pay VAT, which adds 20% onto the total cost. Not the same with gold, only silver. So here we have it. Very heavy, about 25 coins in here, which I think is about 3/4 of a kilogram. So just give me 1 second while I put some gloves on and we'll open them up and have a look. So let's get the top off. And there you can see Silver 1 ounce Britannia. That's says they're £2. It's got the Queen's head on it. Let's take a closer look. 2019 Britannia. Look at the shine on that. So look, as I said, I just love the shine on silver coins. So there you go, guys. That's a tube I bought of 2019 silver 1 ounce Britannia coins, which I'm going to put in my collection. If you have a look just at the back there, it's my other Britannias. And yeah, so I'm very pleased with that. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and do me a favour if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and if you've got anything you would like to see on future videos, let me know. Thanks very much. Until next time, bye.